Hello, amazing kindergarten explorers. It's me, Funds. Welcome to today's fantastic journey through the land of needs versus wants. Today, we're on a mission. Our goal is to learn how to tell the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things we absolutely must have to live and stay safe. Look at these pictures of food, water, clothes, and shelter. They are our needs because they keep us strong and safe. Now, let's dive into the treasure chest of wants. Wants are like magical surprises, things we'd love to have, but we can live without them. Check these out. Video games, laptops, shopping bags, and headphones are like our wishes. They make life extra fun, but they're not necessary. Let's review what we've learned so far. Is this a need or a want? It's a want. Burgers are delicious, but not something we must have. How about this speedy ride? Is this a need or a want? A car can be a need if it helps us get to important places like school or work. But sometimes it can also be a want if we have other ways to get around. Is this a need or a want? In this exciting game, it's a want. Games are super fun, but we can live without that. Lastly, is water a need or a want? Water is a need. Our bodies need water to stay strong and healthy. When it comes to food, spaghetti is a need because it's one meal to keep you fed. Pizza, tacos, burgers, and cookies are wants. They're tasty treats, but not necessary for just one meal. A regular car is a need for transportation. A sports car is a want. It's fast and cool, but not a need. A sweater, a pair of pants, and a pair of shoes are needs because we need clothes to stay warm and comfy. Lots of shopping bags are wants, and they're nice to have, but we can choose carefully. Being great detectives of needs and wants helps us manage our money wisely. We can spend on needs and save for special wants. So before you make a choice, ask yourself, is it a need or is it just a want? And what's next on our adventure? We'll learn about saving money. It's like collecting treasure for exciting future adventures.